I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new members to your Worckie company. So I'm inside of Worckie, and on the left-hand side menu, I'm going to choose Members. And inside here, I can see the current members, and I can also choose to invite new members by going up to the top right-hand side and clicking the blue button that says Invite. Here, all I need to do is make sure to enter their email. And I can also choose what department I want to add them to. I can choose one department or I can choose multiple departments. If you need to add a department, you can click the plus button and add a department on the fly. You can also edit permissions here by allowing a new member to be an admin. This means they are a company admin and they have their permission to change anything across the entire company. The next one is a leader. This field allows the individual to be a department leader and they can manage everything inside of a specific department. Remember that if you're adding an individual to multiple departments and you turn on that they're a department leader, they will be the leader and they will be able to manage everything in all departments that you've selected. Once you've added the email and you've chosen the departments and you've configured the permissions, then you click Invite. And they will get an email with invitation information to be able to access Worckie with their new username and password to log in. And any permissions that you set for them will be activated immediately. When you add a new person to Worckie, they have to accept the invitation. And there are times that they may not get the invitation email, whether it doesn't arrive in the inbox or it ends up in the spam box. If you need to resend, you can actually go to the resend icon on the mini toolbar on the right-hand side, and it will resend their invitation to them. You have several different capabilities with every single member. On the icon toolbar on the right, the first icon is Show, and this allows you to see the information about the member. The next icon is Edit. That allows you to edit the information about the member. The next icon is Delete if you need to delete a member. The next one is to resend the invitation email. And the last one is to look at member analytics. Once they start working on tasks, this will start collecting data on them, and you can review analytics on each one of your members. It's also really important to remember that every single member needs to be assigned to at least one department. And if you have a member that you want to work on a specific project, you need to add them as a member to that project. And you need to add them into tasks that you want them to complete. So at each level, you need to add in the members according to what you want them to access and what projects you want them involved in. So you can add them to departments, to projects, and to tasks. Also, as soon as a member is invited and becomes a member of your company, you can then chat with them. You can initiate a chat and start texting back and forth to discuss projects or tasks. So that's how you add members into the Worckie company.